Good afternoon, folks. Steve over at White Sands Motorsports again. Gonna go over a few things with some of our used inventory here. We've got the 2011 Harley Davidson Fat Bob FXDF. Fine looking bike. Features the classic black on black, decked out with the chrome. This one does have the saddleman seats. Tires are in great shape on this thing. See the pipes. Very sleek looking machine right there. Again, come on down to White Sands Motorsports, Alamogordo, New Mexico. Take a look at this Harley Davidson Fat Bob 2011. Y'all have a good day.